Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So, as you may know or may not know yet, but FX Master Gold has rugged. Yes, I say rugged. Now, why do I say rugged? They dropped this announcement on their Telegram group saying that, as you know, trading is a long journey with a lot of up and down, blah, 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 blah. In a nutshell, they were saying that one of their traders didn't follow the risk parameters and use martingale system to burn out people's accounts. It's bullshit. It's bullshit at this point, you know what I mean? Because, first of all, they've been trading with less than about 1.50 drawdown, and a drawdown that low is it honestly raises some alarms. But there are traders out there that are good, but even their drawdown normally it's not that low. So the point I'm trying to make is, how can you be trading with a drawdown that low and then all of a sudden things went kapoof and then you blew the account? See, it doesn't make sense, right? So here's what I think. These guys have been planning this all along, right? They've been planning basically an exit time, and I'm sure they had a date in mind where they plan to exit and everything. So on the front end, things look legit. They're trading behind a broker, connected to a PAM service and everything. But on the back end, I think, it's probably just a Ponzi scheme, and they were just recycling money. They probably weren't even trading. And I think the broker is in on it too, right? The broker has to be in on it, because when you take a trade in Forex, the broker takes the other end of the trade. All right. So the only way that these guys can make off with this money is the broker being in on it as well. So Absolute Markets, I would stay away from this broker. There are other reputable brokers out there. I would stay far away from Absolute Markets. That's a broker, right? Because they, are basically working with this, or maybe this is their own creation in terms of FX Master Gold, but they're definitely in on it, because as they blow the accounts, all that money is sitting in their pockets, right? All that money sits in their pockets. So unfortunately, it sucks, right? It really sucks, right? Because a lot of people were investing in this platform. A lot of people had their hard-earned money on this platform, including myself. I lost quite a bit on this platform, so it's an unfortunate thing. But life goes on, right? So where do we go from here? Now, there are programs that, for me, have been consistent. One of them being NovaTech. NovaTech has been around for 3+ years. The owners are well known, right? The CEOs are well known. They even have LinkedIn profiles and everything, right? And because of that, I rate them. So NovaTech is a consistent platform for me. Another one for me is 8-Minute Trader. 8-Minute Trader basically teaches you how to trade Forex, right? They have an indicator, as well as they have Zoom calls, daily Zoom calls with their coach, where basically they tell you what to press, buy or sell. You press that button, and 70% of the time we come out in profits. So 8-Minute Trader is another program that, in my database of programs that I'm in, I'll say it's a very reputable program, because you're the one taking the trades. It's not somebody else taking the trade for you. You're the one that decides whether or not to take that trade. I know people love more passive streams, but 8-Minute Trader, in terms of, as far as a reputable program, is one. I've been working on automating it, but, I'm just waiting for them to update their new indicator system, which I think they're almost in the corner of doing, or have launched it now. I got to check. But once they update it so it's not showing too many buys and sells on the chart, then I can then complete my automation on my part and get that automation that much more better. Okay. So aside from 8-Minute Trader, another program that I think will do really well is the crypto program. Again, the person behind it, or the marketer behind it, is reputable. He's well known. Ed Zimbardi. He's been around in the marketing space for a long time, and the concept of it is something that I'm familiar with, going back and dating back to like the early 2000s, even before that, right? And the whole premise is, buying basically search traffic, right? So they basically spend money to advertise on like Facebook, Google, and other places. And as people come in, they find out, how much basically it costs for them to turn those people into customers. So for example, if you're spending 50 cents a click on Google and somebody clicks on an ad and they convert into a customer, they know that it takes them about 50 cents to convert into a customer. So the whole premise of it, it's not really like that they're taking crypto and flipping crypto around or anything like that, but they're using our investment to basically drive more search traffic, and as they make those profits, they pay back out in crypto. So you can check the full review of that, of all these 3 programs that I mentioned. I will put them in the description of this video, but you can check out the full review to make yourself an educated decision if you want to invest there or not. But with these platforms, there's one thing I always say is, guys, don't invest what you're not willing to lose, right? Because there's never any platform or any risk that is 100% guaranteed. For example, my dad called me the other day and we're talking about like investments, and he was talking about mutual funds through his bank, and they were saying that he actually lost money in his mutual funds, which is kind of crazy. So that means that even investing with a bank, you can still lose money. So it's not any different investing in these platforms as well. So always, in any future program that you join, whether it be something that I'm in or I'm not, just guys, invest only what you can afford to lose. And with FX Master Gold, what I've been telling my team from day one is pull out your withdrawals, your profits, pull it out daily, right? So at least you secure yourself a little bit, in the case that everything, goes away, right? So hopefully you have been withdrawing daily. Hopefully that's the only way to kind of protect yourself a little bit, with these programs. But yeah, so check out the other programs if you're still willing to invest. If you're still, I wouldn't say, don't let this deter you from investing, right? Whether it be the bank, which is a little bit lower in terms of your ROI, right? Or whether it be crypto platforms, don't stop investing, because that is the only way to really get out of the rat race, right? But even more so, I would encourage you to learn how to trade for yourself. And that's something that 8-Minute Trader teaches you, how to trade for yourself. In the near future, I'll also be coming out with a Forex course that teaches you how to trade. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so that when that course is ready and I drop it, you will have first access to it and you'll be able to trade for yourself. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell, guys. Take care. God bless. Keep your head up. We'll talk soon. Bye.